who followed politics clearly, right? We saw Shivraj Singh Chauhan, a 3-time chief minister, elected for the fourth time, saying, I will die rather than go and meet them in Delhi. Who? Not the opposition. BJP leaders. Second,
Sir,
we saw. Wait a second. He said that is the other side of BJP. That's the other thing. But we saw Vasundhara Raje crying. This is what happens when a democracy within a party is muzzled. And BJP of all parties enjoy when a woman leader is demolished. We saw that in case of Mahua Moitra. We saw how they addressed Mamata Banerjee. We saw how they champion every BJP spokesperson, every BJP MP champions Braj Bhushan Singh. As far as Mr. Kharge is concerned, it is obvious that BJP is scared because he has defeated them in Karnataka already. Prime Minister and Amit Shah led the campaign against Mr. Kharge, and especially when he took a jibe on Prime Minister, he said, "मुझे गालियां दी जा रही हैं." Karnataka people said that you will be.
Thank you so much.
That BJP is already scared because. Because just the fact,
for announcing Mr. Kharge as a Prime Minister candidate,
just the fact that Arvind Kejriwal ji and Mamata Banerjee ji bring up his name means that the entire bogey of BJP, that there is no face, that they are not united, that caste census will not happen. Kharge ji strongly bats for caste census.
Agreed, but for Mr. Kharge, he himself is saying
that is the power of democracy. We are not a party जहाँ पे एक चिट निकाली जाएगी, राजनाथ सिंह चिट लेंगे, इसको देंगे, उसको देंगे, और फिर वसुंधरा जी रोने लगेंगी. We are not a party like that. यहाँ पर जो संसद चुने सांसद आएंगे, वो मीडिया के सामने खुले तौर पर चुनेंगे हमारा नेता कौन है. लेकिन the fact is that the members of India Alliance are saying generously and clearly that we will have a leader, we will have an agenda, and they will murder the democracy. Okay. That is the key point.
Okay, I want you to respond to that.
No, he's right. There is active democracy, so maybe Akhilesh Yadav is not the leader of Samajwadi Party. Maybe it's someone else. It's not from the Yadav dynasty. And talking about women, it's so rich coming from the Samajwadi Party. लड़के हैं, गलती हो सकती है. Poxo convicted. Their wife getting a ticket. So I think Samajwadi Party when they talk about this, I think it's only right if Kharge ji becomes the candidate, Madhav. Because we remember in 2019, RP Singh ji, he said अगर मोदी जी जीत गए तो सनातन का राज हो जाएगा. So I think the one thread that unites all of them is abusing Sanatan. Someone सनातन का राज हो जाएगा. So I think what unites them and the right face for them is Kharge ji, because yes, their only agenda has been Sanatan and dividing along caste lines. That is all their agenda has been. And Congress needs to decide if they want caste census. Because it was Rajiv Gandhi who on the floor of the House said, caste census नहीं होना चाहिए, इससे मेरा देश जाति के नाम पे बढ़ जाएगा. Indira Gandhi from 80 to 90 did not allow the BP Mandal report because she said, I am against dividing along caste line. So Rahul Gandhi and the Gandhi family need to actually ask, what do they really want?
कांग्रेस का जो स्टैंड था, राहुल गांधी जी ने उस पर क्लियर कर दिया कि वो हमारा एक ब्लंडर मिस्टेक था. राहुल गांधी ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन 27% दिया गया तो किसने कमंडल यात्रा निकाली, किसने उसके विरोध में यात्रा निकाली? Who opposed the even किसने सरकार किया? Even
घनश्याम जी भी हंस रहे हैं क्योंकि इन्हें फैक्ट्स पता है. कांग्रेस ने अपोज्ड इट, मैडम प्लीज.
बिहार में जाकर गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी कहते हैं कि यादव और मुसलमानों की संख्या बढ़ा दी गई है. अरे आप कास्ट सेंसस करा लीजिए देश भर में, बता दीजिए कि किसका बढ़ा है. फ्रॉड गिरी आप लोग कर रहे हैं, फ्रॉड पर बातें आप लोग कर रहे हैं. और नाउ यू आर टैगिंग अस, नाउ यू आर टैगिंग अस, है ना.
सबसे बड़ा फ्रॉड तो कांग्रेस कर रही है देश में. अरे सुन लीजिए ना, अरे सुन लीजिए ना, राहुल गांधी के पिताजी का नाम था फिरोज जहांगीर गांधी, वो पारसी थे. अगर आप सुन लीजिए ना तो कितने हुए उस कास्ट सेंसस के हिसाब से. जितनी जिसकी भागीदारी उसके हिसाब से गिनोगे ना, जितनी जिसकी संख्या उतनी भागीदारी, तो कितनी
हिंदी हार्टलैंड ने जवाब भी दे दिया. हिंदी हार्टलैंड has given them a resounding answer, पर समझ नहीं आ रहा अभी.
I want Nikhil to come. This is questions of our Congress. I want Nikhil to respond to that. Nikhil,
I can't even understand what questions you are making.
You have flipped your position on the caste survey because you were opposing it way back in the 80s. Simple question. Respond to that.
This is the problem with the BJP, that if a party is willing to work along the changing times, the changing needs of the society, they think that is something wrong. That is the essence of a democracy, sir. That is the essence of
That is
the
convenient.
essence of having a parliament, that you can change your view on things. We were a socialist economy till 1991 when there was a need felt. We liberalized. We have moved more towards capitalism.
At least they've realized that Rajiv Gandhi was wrong.
When the Congress party has realized that it is important for the OBCs to be given their representation right, to be given affirmative action, they have moved forward with this agenda, and that is perfectly all right. That is their very job as politicians. Unlike the BJP, which once says something, मेरा बोला हुआ पत्थर की लकीर, मैंने बोला 4 घंटे में सारे नोट बंद, तो बंद, लाइनों में लगो, मरो, कोई मतलब नहीं है.
BJP has the maximum representation of OBCs in its cabinet. I mean, आप किसको ज्ञान दे रहे हो यार?
आप ही बताओ.
Walk the talk. You are going to teach them. सबसे ज़्यादा OBC CM, OBC representation in cabinet. आप किसको बता रहे हो?
30 सेकंड. इवन 2010 गोपीनाथ मुंडे बीजेपी के सांसद थे, उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट में भाषण दिया हुआ था कि क्यों कास्ट सेंसस होना चाहिए ना. आपका स्टैंड भी चेंज हो गया. आपका भी
हम तो कह रहे हैं
आपका ये तो मना ही नहीं किया. राजीव गांधी ने क्या कहा, इंदिरा गांधी ने क्या कहा, आप डिसाइड करो.
सीट एडजस्टमेंट का आज फॉर्मूला क्लियर हो गया क्या? आज इनका लीडर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेटर तय हो गया, आज कन्वीनर तय हो गया, आज इनका प्राइम मिनिस्टर का कैंडिडेट तय हो गया क्या? इन्होंने कहा हम अगले 40 दिन के अंदर, सॉरी 20 दिन के अंदर हम अपनी सीट की अनाउंसमेंट कर देंगे.
Disember तक कैसे करेंगे?
Madhav, very simple. I will